There's a hidden war on energy waste being fought on two fronts: our factories and our buildings.
On the factory floor, it's a physical battle. Engineers are literally wrestling with machinery to save energy.
But you know, a similar fight is happening right in the offices and schools we use every day.
Two different battlefields, two totally different strategies. So, who's actually winning this thing?
And in a typical building, well, get this, over half the energy goes just to heating and cooling.
First up, let's look at the factory floor strategy. This is the industrial playbook, all about the machine.
A key tactic? Waste heat recovery. Instead of venting hot air, you capture that energy and reuse it.
And here's a brilliant example. That hot exhaust preheats new materials, saving a ton of fuel.
It's not always high-tech either. Simple things like fixing steam leaks make a huge difference.
And the real eye-opener is the hidden cost of the equipment. Take this giant pump, for instance. See that tiny slice for the purchase price? The real cost, the vast majority, is the energy it eats up.
So, that's the machine approach. But what if we shift from optimizing hardware to optimizing data? This is where we get to the really cool part, creating buildings that can actually think for themselves.
It's called model predictive control. Basically, you give the building a brain to predict the future.
So it predicts what's needed, plans the most efficient way to do it, acts, and then learns.
And the results are pretty amazing. This predictive brain can cut HVAC energy use by almost 20%.
And it's not just about temperature. Why waste energy ventilating a room if nobody's even in there?
Right? By using sensors to control fans, one study slashed fan energy by over 50%. Wow.
So you've got two powerful playbooks, one that perfects the machine and one that adds a digital brain.
But the future isn't about choosing one or the other. It's about combining them, the ultimate power move.
So if our factories and offices can get this smart, what does that mean for our own homes, for our cities?